Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Before watching the video, you must know that this feature is new and it's not enabled in all the Snapchat account. If you can't find this feature, just wait some days and normally they will add it to your profile. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit the like button. So let's start. We must go to the Snapchat app. We open the Snapchat app, and after opening the app, click in your picture on your picture in the top of the screen. And after clicking on your picture, just you need to verify some options. The options that you need to verify, just go to who can. Contact me must be everyone and not only my friends. Use Cameo's selfie, you can put it only me. Send me notifications, everyone must be everyone. And view my story must be also everyone. Also send me and see me and quick add, you must check it, show me in quick add. After doing all this, you go back and you will find create public profile. Just click on create public profile and then click continue and get started. When you click get started, you will see this notification that will tell you by creating a public profile you will show your name on any snaps you have ever posted to Spotlight or Snap Map, any lenses you've made and mark it as searchable will also appear on your public profile. You can edit or delete your public profile at any time. You just need to click create. And like that, you just created your public profile. You can see your public profile like that, and you can edit also your profile. You can add your picture, you can also add the bio, location, and you can also show your subscriber count. Like that, you have now a public profile on Snapchat. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit the like button, and see you in the next video.